Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everybody, we are from group 2. We are allowed to make presentation with research tip material. Next. The member of second group, first bin Irawan with student number 037, Fajar Hidayat 043, and Randy Andriansyah student number 044. Next. What is the research? In general, the definition of research is a process of investigation that is carried out actively, diligently, and systematically, where the purpose is to interpret, and revise the facts. Another opinion say that the definition of research is a process of systematic investigation by studying various views, materials, and sources in the order to build fact and reach new conclusion. Next. Types of research. A. Types of research based on objective. 1. Exploration research. Explorative research carried out to find science and the problems that new in the field of educational science education. For example, a study has profile or criteria of effective leadership in management school based. 2. Development research carried out to develop existing knowledge. 3. Verification research. This research is a type of research carried out to test the truth of the existing science, both in the form of concept, principles, products, argument, and practice in self. Next.
Type of research based on approach. Quantitative research. Research used to answer problems through careful measurements technique on certain variables. Qualitative research. Research to answer problems that require in-depth understanding in the context of the time and situation concrete. Is carried out naturally in accordance with object condition in the file without any manipulation. Developmental research. This developmental research is a study of the pattern and sequence of growth and or change as function or time. Next. Type of research based on place. Library research, namely research carried out in the library. Laboratory research, namely research carried out in the laboratory. This research is often used in experimental research. Field research, namely research carried out in a place, and that place is outside the library and laboratory. Next. Type of research based on function. Basic research. Basic research is a type of research used to discover and develop new concept, precept, generalization, and theory. Applied research. Applied research is carried out with regard to problem solving and practical realities, application and development of knowledge product by basic research in real life. Action research. This research is a form of self-reflection research through real action in real situation. Assessment research. Assessment research is research conducted to determine change or improvement in individual before after undergoing a treatment with a certain time and program. Next, evaluation research. Evaluation research is part applied research, but its purpose can be distinguished from applied research. Comparative research. A comparative study or a casual comparative study is a type of research that is used to compare two or more group of certain variable. So correlational research. The research study the relationship between two or more variables, namely the relationship between variation in one variable and variation in other variable. Case study research. A case study is basically an intensive study of an individual, group, or institution that is considered to have experienced a particular case.
Okay, and the next is types of research. Is A, types of research by method. Number one is historical research, describing and reconstruction past phenomena systematically, objectively, and rationally. Number two is descriptive research. This research is used to describe, explain, and answer questions about current phenomena and events. Number three, experimental research. Research that seeks to find the effect of certain variable on other variable under tightly controlled conditions. Number four, survey research. Research that takes a sample from one population and use a questionnaire as the main data collection tool. Number five and the last, ex post factor research. Ex post factor research is conducted on an event that has taken place. This type of research is also called retrospective study because it traces back to an event and then traces back to investigate the factors that can cause the end accident. Where the research location? The research location is the place where the researcher obtains information regarding the required data. The location of the study is the place where the research will be carried out. Location selection shall be based on consideration of interest, uniqueness, and suitable to the chosen topic. By selection, this location researchers are expected to find meaningful these things and new. The characteristic of the research. Characteristic of the research can be divided into two. Number one, research is empirical. Is an investigation based on a real object using empirical evidence. The empirical evidence is information obtained through observation or experimentation. Scientists obtain the empirical evidence by recording and analyzing data. Then this empirical evidence was collected using quantitative and qualitative research methods. Number two, research is non-empirical. Is an investigation based on unreal object or object of mind, statistics, mathematics, or physics. Non-empirical research is research that is based on unreal object and find a solution.
to a problem without observation and experimentation.
Okay, thank you. So many presentation for our group. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.